Okay, my name is Sam. I'm going to apply compression socks and also do range of motion of the legs. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to slip my hand in here all the way to the heel and then grab it and or like kind of pinch it like this and then take it out, put it upside down, and then I'm gonna do like this, put it wide, and I expose the knees there. So I'm gonna do like this all the way to the halfway here, and now I'm just gonna put this up. So it is to make sure the heel is down there and the feet. So this is it should be, so it is two fingers below the knee. So and it is all, I'm gonna look around and make sure it is all straight. And I will do the same to the other feet. So now taking it out. So just grab the edges here and just roll it over. You can support the leg as needed, and just take it out like that. I forgot to say that I wash my hands before this procedure. From here now, I'm going to do a range of motion. So I'm sitting because this bed will not go up. So the bed now is on my elbow level. So I'm just going to do range of motion. So I'm just going to do like that. And I'm going to then I'm going to kind of do this. I'm going to do the fingers too. Adduction, abduction, adduction, 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 abduction. Then I'm gonna do this a little bit. And I'm gonna rotate. Okay, so and I will do the same on the other leg as well. So that is it for that skill.